The booking checklist program can be used to create user-defined tasks, reminders, or to-dos which can be attached to different bookings. There is no limit to the number of different checklists that can be created. Checklists are not mandatory, but they can be very useful. Start by selecting your club. Then select the type of checklist. Depending on the program you are using, the type of checklist may default for you. Select the Add Another code to add a new checklist, or select an existing checklist to review it. Enter a code for the design with a max of 10 characters, and give the design a description with a max of 25 characters. To create codes in advance and not have them be used yet, or if you don't want to use this checklist anymore, select the inactive field. In the grid section, each line becomes a field in your checklist. Enter the label you want to appear in the description column with a max of 25 characters. To edit the text in a cell that is already saved, double-click on the cell to get focused on the text before trying to type or copy or paste. The Type column is used to define what sort of data is to be entered into this field when used in the checklist. Use the F2 lookup in the Type column to choose what sort of data this field will accept. Depending on the type chosen, there can be built-in restrictions on data entry in the Size column. The Size column is used to define the maximum size of this field entry. Use the Additional Information column to set the default value for yes/no type fields. Enter Y to have the field pre-selected when you use the checklist. You can also use this column to request additional information. You have the option to add up to 300 lines of items to be checked off or filled in within this grid. Use the Print button to print a copy of this checklist. Once you have finished setting up the checklist, select OK to save, and repeat this process to set up any additional checklists that are required. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.